Hey, good morning, Valley Junior High. How are you guys? What a crazy last week, huh? Holy cow. Who knew it'd be that nuts? Hey, hopefully everyone's safe and okay. I'm sure you're tired of being at home in your room, wherever you live, and you just want to do stuff. But we just gotta hang tight, alright? Hang tight, do a little math, watch a little TV, try to get creative, doodle, draw. Anyway, we'll talk more about that later, but hey, let's pretend like it's snow shack season and we want to go buy a snow cone. And for some reason, the snow cone company has cylinder snow cones that are 6 centimeters tall with a radius of 5. And then they have normal snow cones that are shaped like a cone that are 10 centimeters tall and a 5 centimeter radius. Which one do you think is going to hold more? Because they're the same price. Which one are you going to buy? All right. Well, that's why you know your math, so you can get the better deal. So, oh, look at this little guy. Hi, guys. How you doing? Anyway, volume equals pi times radius squared times height. That's for a cylinder, right? Hopefully you still have your cheat sheet. If you don't, it's on Canvas, and I think it's on Wednesday of last week. You can click on it. Gives you all the formulas. But anywho, so we're going to, in our calculator, do 3.14 times the radius 5, square it, 5 squared times the height of this guy is 6. So that's going to be his volume. So that's 3.14 times 5 squared, or 5 times 5 if you don't have a calculator that does that, but your phones do if you turn your phone sideways. Okay? So that's 471 cubic centimeters of delicious snow cone material. I'd get lighter blood if it was me. Then we got this guy who goes to a point, and I don't think he's gonna hold as much. I mean, look at this fat dude. I mean, this thick dude. Anyway, formula for a cone is almost exactly the same as a cylinder. Almost. It's going to be volume equals pi times radius squared times height. But then you got to 1/3 it. It's 1/3 as big as a cylinder always. Always use 1/3. Okay? Or if you don't want to 1/3 it, look at that handy dandy eraser. Or it could be a microphone for this guy. Me, 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 me. Yeah, that was lame. Okay. Anyway, I'm trying. So, or you could just do this divided by 3. Okay? So, anyway, you're going to do 3.14 times the radius squared times the height. And then you're going to hit enter, and then you're going to divide by 3. So let's see what happens. 3.14 times 5 squared. Oh, whoops. Let me come over here. Oh, I'm not so good at this, am I? Not so good. Times 10 equals 785, but that's if you were a cylinder. We've got to divide by 3 because he's a cone. 261.6 repeating. That's not very good. 261.6 repeating cubic centimeters of delicious snow cone. I think I'd get the blue raspberry. So obviously, I would buy this one because it's Mo Bigger, Mo Better. It's just Mo, right? Let's do a couple more practice problems, and then I think just with cones, because today we're doing, today you have quizzes to do, and again, everything's on Canvas. And I'm grading these quizzes for now. I mean, you get most of them right, you get 10 out of 10. And quizzes is nice because you can review the ones you missed, which you got all day, right? I mean, just as well. And there's only like 10 questions, so let's try another one. And here we go. This time we'll do, you know, those tall cylinders you get at the mall, full of those deliciously oven roasted cashews or almonds. And I wonder why they put them in a cone and then charge you like $20, because they want to rip us off. So I don't know, those cones are like, they're pretty tall. You think you're getting a lot. They're like 15 centimeters tall, and the distance across, the diameter up here. Let's try green. So 15 centimeters tall, and then across is like 12 centimeters across. How much volume is actually in here? Not very much, because it's a cone, man. It's 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. Same as the cylinder, but then you gotta 1/3 it. Or you can just put the 3 down here. Okay? But anyway, let's try it with 1/3 out in front. So 1/3 times pi times radius squared times height will get you the volume. So in your calculator, you're gonna do 1/3 times 3.14 times, not 12, that's the diameter. Diameter's all the way across, my friends. Radius is halfway across. So 6. 12 is all the way, so 6 is my radius. So 6 squared times the height of 15. So here we go. So if you don't have a calculator that'll do that, you just do 1 divided by 3. Hit enter, you'll get that. Well, yeah, or just do 1 divided by 3 times 3.14 times 6 squared times 15, and you'll be fine. It'll work. You'll get the same as me. Times 3.14 times 6 squared, or 6 times 6, times 15 equals 565.2. Whoa. I mean 5. Uh-oh. My camera's been over there. Sorry, guys. That's not good. Well, I guess you've been listening, hopefully. So, the answer is struggling. The answer is 565.2. can kind of see how I typed it in here, right? Okay, so volume, formula, a little bit different, isn't it? Okay. Let's do one more quick one, then I think you're ready. You're ready, Gleddy. All right. Hey, I don't know if you have ideas for what to do if you're bored, but I mean, my kids yesterday, they made a blanket fort. You ever made a blanket fort? Of course you've made a blanket fort. They're awesome. Sorry, I'm gonna have a sip of this. Anyway, one more problemo. Let's do... Remember those dunce hats? No, it's a party hat. How much air is in this party hat? So let's go with 20 inches tall. And let's go a diameter of 8 inches tall. I bet you could do this without me now. I bet you know. Because you know the formula is not pi r squared h. It's that divided by 3. Or 1/3 pi r squared h. So volume is either one of these formulas, my friends, okay? Either one. So here we go. 3.14 times the radius squared, which is not 8, it's 4, times the height divided by 3. Or you could do 1/3 times 3.14. Move my camera this time. Woohoo! Times 4 squared times the height. Both of these are going to get you the answer. And so here we go. 3.14 times 4 squared, or 4 times 4, times 20 equal divided by 3. And I get 334.93 repeating inches cubed. All right, hey, sorry that was a long video. Today at 10:30, I'm gonna try to do a Zoom meeting where I can see all your faces, anyone that logs in. Just say hi, how you doing? If you need me to help you with your math, I will. But you'll be able to see me. I don't know if you want to see my face, but anyway, it'll be fun to see yours if you can get on. And I don't know how good a computer you have to have, but it's on Canvas. Give it a shot. And I miss you guys and love you guys. And just hang in there, man. Find stuff to do. Doodle. I'm thinking of creating a doodle club. Not sure how we do it, but it'd be fun to post all our pictures in one place so we could just all look at them, get ideas, and make our own. This is a long video. Hopefully you're not too bored. But anyway, take it easy, guys. Be safe. Wash your hands, and no need to go out in public with lots of people. Stay home. Do the right thing. All right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.